Merry Christmas from Nyam Nyam. Today we've got some fantastic Christmas cakesicles for you to make. You are going to have tons of fun with the kids too. Get them involved, that's what it's all about. Start with some crumbled up red velvet cake and add some cream cheese. Mash it all together to form a sort of dough and melt some white chocolate. Add food colouring. We've got lovely red, green, brown. We're going to pour those into separate popsicle moulds. One by one, in they go. Just a little bit, filling it not even halfway. Just make sure it's spread out to cover all the sides. Perfect. Chill that for 30 minutes till it's set. Now for the fun bit. We add our red velvet cream cheese cake mix and just squish it in with your fingers. Ooh, gonna love doing that. Add your popsicle stick. Make sure it's covered properly by the cake. And then pour the remainder of your chocolate, whichever colour it may be, over the top to seal. Brilliant. Now, once more, we are going to chill that for 30 minutes. And it's ready to take out of the moulds. Carefully does it. There you go. You can turn those all over to reveal a lovely smooth side, ready for decorating. Let's start with the red one. I think this can be Santa. We're using fondant icing to decorate with a belt and some buttons. The next one's going to be a reindeer with some antlers, eyes and a nose. Then we're going to use some melted green chocolate piped on to create a lovely leaf effect, because this one is, you guessed it, a Christmas tree with a star on top and some sprinkles. And our white cakesicle is going to first be topped with melted red chocolate using a piping bag. And a little green chocolate piped on too. Some white too. Can you guess what it is yet? We're doing stripes, white, green, white, green. Make a nice pattern. Add some eyes, nose and a mouth. Yep, it's a snowman. And there you have it, 4 fantastic Christmas cakesicles. Enjoy! Grinch Christmas desserts, which are easy and fun to make for any Christmas party. Here's how. First of all, in a mixing bowl you add 250 grams of butter. Whisk that up till it's nice and light and fluffy. We're using an electric whisk. Add 400 grams of icing sugar to that. Whisking once again. And if you do have an electric whisk, it obviously makes things easier. We add that a little bit at a time, just to make sure that it's properly blended in with no lumps. Next we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 millilitres of milk and whisk that in too. Add your food colouring, green of course, green for the Grinch. Stir that in until it's evenly coloured. And that goes into a food piping bag. We've got a serrated edge nozzle there and a slim nozzle and a multi-nozzle. Meanwhile, we get some fondant, a little bit of white fondant icing, and separate it into 2 pieces, rolling one in the palm of our hand. Now we're going to stick those on our chopping board, adding in 2 teeny tiny bits of black fondant icing. And yes, you've guessed it, they are eyes. So we're going to pipe our green buttercream icing through the serrated edge nozzle first. And then we're going to use our multi-head nozzle to make spiky patterns around the edge of our cupcake. This is the fun creative part, creating a hair-like pattern for our Grinch. And add our fondant eyes and eyelashes for a finishing touch. Don't forget the smile. Why not a heart too? Ooh, dig in. Yummy. For our next recipe, we add 400 grams of ready pancake mix to a mixing bowl and 2 eggs. No need to whisk them in advance. 300 millilitres of milk goes in there and you can whisk that up using a hand whisk this time. Add your food colouring. No need for an electric whisk, so not to worry if you don't have one. Once that's nice and evenly green, we're going to add 100 millilitres of melted butter into it. Whisk it up again. Now that's ready to go into our frying pan. We've lightly oiled, or a non-stick frying pan, even better. Flip it over so you've cooked it evenly on both sides. Wonderful, there you have a Grinch green pancake. Add 250 millilitres of whipping cream to a bowl, 50 grams of icing, and whisk that up. Mixing it on a high speed to make it nice and thick as you like it. Now that whipped cream goes into 2 mixing bowls, and in one we're going to add our green food colouring. And again stir it in so it's evenly coloured, and the other one we leave white. Stick those into 2 separate food piping bags. For the white whipped cream we're just going to use a nice basic thin nozzle. Now for the green whipping cream we're going to use a serrated edge nozzle. We've made a few pancakes here and we're just forming a pile. We're going to put our white whipping cream on first. And you can decorate these how you like. You can pile on the whipped cream or use it sparingly. And here we are, making a flower-like pattern in the middle. And on top of that goes our green whipping cream. And a few fondant hearts around the edge. Why not add some fruit too? Raspberries look fantastic with this green and red against each other. And of course the white whipping cream too. Fantastic use of colours. And it tastes great too. Tuck in. Yummy. Let's make these Christmas cupcake designs. Start with a plain vanilla cupcake and pipe on white buttercream using a round tip nozzle. Then add green buttercream with an open star tip nozzle. Place ball and star sprinkles on top. And there you have a Christmas tree. Get another vanilla cake and pipe on white buttercream using a round tip nozzle. Pipe a bit of extra around the middle, and then using a leaf tip nozzle we're going to pipe on green buttercream leaves. Beautiful. Now using a round tip nozzle, a narrow one this time, we're piping on red buttercream and placing some star sprinkles. And there you have a Christmas wreath. For the third design, pipe on red buttercream with a couple Accoplader adapter. Then white buttercream goes on using a star tip, and finally a round tip on top with a star sprinkle. And it's Santa's hat. And there we have 3 fantastically Christmassy cupcake designs. Enjoy!